Hey Lily, so you will want to easy find out, just add stuff to your cart and during checkout they will show you the shipping rate to Toronto.
And I am going to seal it right in. Right in edges of the crystal, but then I'm not gonna put it right on the top of the crystal, just on the top of the frame. And around the crystal, you want to just right in the crystal base, so then it will not destroy your sparkle of your crystal and the cut of it. And I am sealing on the top of the bead to, and then the frame to prevent from getting tarnished. Great. And then we're going to key it. So if in case you need to go back again, definitely you can.
So Harley, currently we can only ship to North America due to the pandemic. So hopefully when we can ship international back again, we'll let you everybody know.
So now this one is finished. It's super adorable. And I am going to using precision glue gel. So every time you squeeze, you just need that much. I've been using a lot of this.
And any product you guys like to see, all of them are available on our official website, pinned in the comment or in our bio, at Glitz Accessory and such.
And then we are going to check and seals on the top of the frame to prevent from tarnish, because we're washing our hands a lot. Your clients washing their hands, and then using the hand sanitizer, so we'll make sure that we'll protect it. And then we'll check. Don't squeeze anything yet, just check around with the crystals. And then we are going to key it for 60 seconds. This one is sealed. You feel texture, but you don't feel any scratch, and it's like catching on the clothes or the hair or anything else. All right, so it's great.